Well, hello everybody and welcome to another episode of TOMSTC, and here we are with my wife's Triumph Trident 800, and this is not a review of the bike because we're still running it in. Well, Sarah's still running it in. I'm literally just going to commute on it today just to try and get some mileage up on it. We're not even at I think we're just over 300 miles now. So we need to get, I think we need to get to about sort of 600 miles to get to that first service and finally get those revs released. Now, the first thing I will say about this bike, despite it not being a review, this bike is very compact for me. But hey, you know, it's comfortable enough to do a quick commute on, and yeah, so without further ado, shall we get on with it? But I think what you have to say first of all is it's a great looking bike. I love the lines of it. I love the stature. I love the way that you've got that single basic looking headlight. It's not complicated. You've got that lovely Triumph emblem in it, and there's just nice details on it. But we've also got, Sarah also had on the crash protection kit, so we've got the crash bars, we've got the engine casing cover, the one on the other side as well. So yeah, just generally a very cool looking bike, I think. But yeah, we'll give it a little ride into the office. Now this bike, like I just said, does feel very small for a man of my stature, and if this is your first time watching my channel, I'm 6'6" with a 36-inch inside leg. Now, one of the things I do find hard with it is the fact that I'm sort of sitting on the handlebars rather than a nice sort of reach out, but there we go. Like I said, this isn't a review, it's just a ride. Get the thing started. That beeping is the CHIGEE cameras. Let me know that it's starting recording. There will be a review coming up of these very soon. What mileage we're actually at now? We've got 259 to go. I think it's just over 300 miles that she's done on this now. But what I like is with this screen is you can actually connect it to your phone and get like simple sort of interactions with your phone. Oh, there we go, 335 miles. It was right there in front of me. Yeah, you can get simple connectivity for your phone for directions and text messages and stuff like that, which I think is pretty cool. It's quite a nice little dashboard. There's nothing special about it. It does everything it should do. One thing I will say about this little well, it's not little, is it? It's quite a big engine. 800 triple is that it's mega smooth. Loads of roadworks around at the moment, and because we've done over 300 miles, we can now go over 5,000 RPM. I did not know that. One of the things that is always a bit awkward, especially for a new rider like my wife, is the running period, when you've got to sort of concentrate about where you are on your revs and stuff like that. So it's nice that the thing is freeing up a little bit now. And I will be taking it easy because it is my wife's bike and it's not my bike. It makes a great little noise. Even with the standard exhaust on it, it does have a nice raucousness to it, if that makes any sense. But it's got that 3-cylinder sort of chirp to it. Well, not chirp, but like as you get through the revs, it just gets a nice little bark from under the tank from the induction. But it has got that great big bread bin underneath the engine of an exhaust. We may look into replacing the exhaust pipe, but for now I think Sarah's more than happy with how the bike is. I mean, it looks amazing. I think it looks really good, and that exhaust on the end is almost like, yeah, we know you're going to replace it, so we haven't thought too much about the looks on that one. You can get a standard from the factory at Krapovic, I think, but it doesn't actually sound much different. Filtering dominance, woo! Loads of traffic around at the moment. They're doing loads of roadworks, and last night it was absolutely mental. Luckily I was on the bike and I was filtering through everybody and pissing everybody off in the traffic with my filtering dominance, but there we go. It's actually quite nice to ride to work in not boiling hot conditions. It's been so hot and muggy here in the UK for the last few weeks. It's probably the hottest it's been in the UK for a long period of time, in a long time. I think that makes sense. And this morning, oh yes, we're well over 5,000 RPM. That is nice. That's nice. What's that, X6 I think? An older one. This morning we're at, what, we're just over 20 degrees. Lovely. Lovely jubbly. Well, the traffic wasn't too bad this morning. Yesterday it was horrendous, both in the morning and the afternoon. Now I want to get past this truck, not because I just don't like so it's 6,000 RPM, we get the flashing now. Running in is a weird thing. I mean, does it make a difference? You know, I imagine that there are so many people that buy brand new bikes and just completely throw caution to the wind and ignore the running period completely. And then how do you know? You know, you buy the bike, it's had its services, it's had everything done that it needs to done, and you just don't know, do you? Use that quick shifter. But there we go. It's a great little bike. I don't think I'll ever be able to have something this small. It's just too cramped for me. I need something a little bit more of a reach out the front. It's perfect for my wife. She's a perfect size for this bike, really. But there we go. Right, that's the end of today's video. Not exactly exciting, but just thought I'd bring you out on the little 800, the little Trident, and show you what it's all about. Once it's running properly and I've got a chance to open it up properly, I will do a full review of this thing with all the buttons, what everything does. And the good thing is we would have had a genuine bit of time on it, showing you what it's all about. And then, on that note, I will see you next time on TOMSTC. If this is the first time watching, please give me a thumbs up, chat below, give me a subscribe, and I'll see you next time here on TOMSTC. Bye.